Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can use DJ AI mode on Spotify. So for this, first you want to update your Spotify because this is only available in the latest version of Spotify. So open up your app store and search for Spotify. So my Spotify says open, that means it's up to date. But if it shows you update, click on update and update your Spotify. Now once you open Spotify, at the top left corner of your screen, you will see the option called music. Click on music. Once you click on music, it's going to show you the collection of music which the DJ has picked for you. And you guys can see there are different and like tons of playlists over here. You can choose from whichever playlist you want to play. So that is basically what DJ on Spotify is. It chooses music according to your preferences. So whichever music you have been listening to, it's going to curate like a playlist according to that kind of music. So that is basically what Spotify DJ is, and that is how we guys can get it, by coming on to music. And if you want to play any one of this song, you can see the little play button right below. You can click on the play button and the song will start to play just like this. So that's how we guys can use DJ AI mode on Spotify. It's that simple. And you can also enter into the playlist by clicking on it. So I'm going to click on this playlist over here, which has the Avicii's photo, and it's going to show me all this music. And all this music is chosen and created by the DJ AI of Spotify. Hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.